we start with chapter 7, graph of motion. So question number 4. Okay, distance. Make sure it's a distance time graph or speed time graph. Got two types. Okay, even this one, distance km, time is in 24 hours. Okay, given average speed, so you must know the formula. I think the formula this one is given. Okay, is distance over time. Okay, because average speed is kilometer over hour, right? So distance kilometer, time is hour. That's why this is how we remember the formula. Okay, we say whole journey, that means here to here, 32 kilometer per hour. Calculate d. So this one meaning distance, okay, here to here, d, here to here, going back, so d plus d, to and fro. Okay, go to this distance then come back. Let's say typing to KL, KL typing. That's why d plus d. Okay, that's the distance over the time. Okay, how long is this time? So we need to find out the time. Okay, the time is 1445 minus 1100. So you get, okay, 1445 minus 1100. Okay, it's 3 hours and 45 minutes. Okay, so this is 24-hour system, so you can use like this. So 345. Okay, or you can calculate 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 3 hours. Okay, 14, then another 45 minutes, so it's 45 minutes. Okay, this calculate also can. Then from here, you can use calculator. 3 hours 45 minutes. Then another one is second, you press again is second, no need. So like this. Okay, then you press ABC, you get fraction, you press you get this one 3 over 4 hour. Okay, then okay, this one is 3 over 4 hour, because this is in kilometer, this is in hour, equal to 32, because 32 is given kilometer per hour. This h should be, so d plus d, 2d equal to 32 times 3 over 4. Okay, so from that means d equal to 32 times 3 over 4 over divide 2. So from calculator I take 60 kilometer. Answer. Okay, then we look at number 6. Diagram that shows speed time graph. This now is distance time graph. Now is speed time graph. Okay. So find the distance travel particle for 28 seconds. So here to here 28 seconds. Whole journey, that means you must understand that if you want to find the distance, is area under the graph. Okay. Why I say area under graph? Because when you find the area, is you get meter second, okay, or meter over second. Okay, that means the area, this one times here times time, so second cancel, left only distance. That's why we get the distance, area under graph. And also you must in this question you must understand how to find the area of trapezium. Exam formula is given, SPM. Okay, area of trapezium is half times sum of parallel sides times height. Then you must also know, because this is the trapezium, so area of rectangular or square is length times width. Then the area of triangle also you need half of because it's one half of it, length times width. Okay, these three very handy. So from here you want to find the distance. Means this area first, then this area, then this area. It means three things we need to add. So this area is 1/2. Sum of parallel sides, that means this side is parallel, so sum of it 20 plus 15 bracket times the height. This is the height because like this, but when splitting time, this is the height. You count like this. So this is the height. This is the sum of parallel sides. Okay. So the height is 10. Then plus the area of rectangular 60 minus 10 times the width times the height, the length 15, then plus another one, the final one, triangle, half of it, half of 28 times 16, minus 16, sorry, then times this one 16, the length times width, then this one use calculator, I get 175, plus this one use calculator, I get 90, plus this one use calculator and get 90. So I get 355 meter. So answer is C. The answer is boy. Okay, so we look at question number 1. Speed time graph. Okay, period 12 seconds. Then A, state the duration in second, must be in second. Particle moves uniform speed. This is uniform speed. The speed is the same. Okay, so second is 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. So is 6 seconds. Okay, very simple answer. Then we look at B. Okay, B, I better write here so that I can see rate of change of speed. Okay, make sure it's meter over second. Okay, last 2 seconds, here, the final one, rate of change of speed. This one formula is not given, but very easy to remember the rate of change of speed. Very easy to remember the formula. Rate change of speed. Okay, don't rate first. You rate change of speed, difference of speed. That means the final speed minus initial speed. 最后的 final, initial, starting, beginning, over the rate is time. Okay, final speed is here, because here to here you need to find. Final is speed is 0, initial speed is 24, time is 12 minus 10. You can write 2 also can, you write 12 minus 10 also can. Okay, so final answer is negative 12 from calculator, meter over second. Okay, this one speed meter over second, so meter over second. Okay, so this is the final answer for B. Okay, so we look at question number 1. Okay, it say diagram show a distance time graph. This one kilometer, this one in hour. Okay, car and lorry, PQRS. PQRS is a car, so write down car. Then TU, this should be T. Okay, forgot to write. TU is a lorry, so lorry, labor. Then car, this from town D, this car, this from town D, this from town D. Then and the lorry is from town E. Okay, then that means car is D to E, lorry is E to D. Okay, which is 30 hours and travel along the same road. So here should be 30. 11:30 hour. Okay, then from here is morning, morning 9:30. Then from here you say A1, state the duration in minute, not in hour, in minute lah, when the car is stationary. Okay, car is stationary is here, it's not moving, distance no distance, 120 stay put. Okay, it's resting. Okay, so state the duration, the time, 3 minus 1.5, 3 minus 1.5, you get 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour is, okay, you can press 1.5, so you press ABC, 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour you want to change to minute. Okay, so you times 60. Okay, plus 1 in minute, so times 50, so this one in minute lah. Okay, so times 60 you get 19 minutes. Then we look at number 2. Number 2 say rate of change of distance. Okay, so before that I don't know what is rate of change of distance. I only know what is rate of change of speed. That is what I learned. Just now I already mentioned change of speed, final speed minus initial speed, then the rate divided time. So if rate of change of distance, so speed become distance. This is number 2. Final distance, speed change distance minus initial distance over the rate is time. Okay, then from here I can find the answer. Okay, you want the car last 2 hours. This is the car, 2 hours, 3 to 445, so here to here only. Okay, so the final distance is n, the initial distance is 120, so n minus 120 over the last 2 hours equal to 90. Okay, or in kilometer hour, so kilometer hour, calculate n. So here n minus 120 equal to 90 times 2, 180, so n equal to 180 plus 120, so n equal to 300 kilometer from calculator. So after get number 2, so we proceed to number 3. So number 3, okay, calculate the distance from town E when the two vehicles meet. From town E, the two vehicles meet is here. Okay, means the distance is here from town E. So calculate here, not like this, here. So n is just now 300. So to get the distance will be 300 minus 120, because 120 is here. Okay. So it's 180 kilometer, because in kilometer. Okay. Then from here, number 4. Okay. So number 4, you say at what time 24-hour system the two vehicle meet. Okay, so before you change to 24-hour system, we have to see the time where the vehicle meet. Okay. Okay, so for the time where two vehicle meet, so I can use the distance over here. Okay, that means let's say this is a 0 300. Okay, I use gradient. Okay, this is 0 300, here is 4 0. Okay, to these 2 points I can find this gradient. Okay, so if let's say I find this gradient first, 0 300, another one is 4 0. Okay, so x1 y1 x2 y2, so I use gradient formula. Okay, so I get 0 minus 300 over 4 minus 0, so I get negative 75. So the gradient negative because the line like this. Okay, so from the gradient, the y, okay, I can, okay, I want to use y equal to mx plus c. I want to find the equation over here. Okay, so to find the equation over here, I need to have the c. I can use this one or this one also can. I use this one because this one easier to find the gradient. This one cannot find the gradient. Okay, impossible because different route already, different time, different distance, everything different. So this one easier. Okay, so if the c is 300, the y-intercept. Okay, and then the point where the vehicle meet is here. Here is x. Okay, because I don't know the x, because I need to find the time. Okay, the two vehicle meet is this time, so the x, the y is 120. Okay, so another one is x 120, so I replace inside. Y is 120, m is just now negative 75, x I don't know, then the c is 300. Then from here negative 75, x I bring over, become positive 75, x 300, 220 bring over minus, so I get 180. So want to find x is divide 75, so I get 2.4 hour. Okay, 2.4 hour. That means if I want to find the time, okay, because I want to find the time in 24-hour system, so the time is 11:30. Start from 11:30 plus 2.4. Okay, that means 11:30 plus 2 hour and 24 minutes. Okay, why I say 2 hour 24, I can use calculator and check. 2.4, then I press, that is hour, so I press degree, hour and minute, second, minute is 24 minutes. So okay, this one you can't see, sorry. So I press again, 2.4 hour equal, I press this angle, this one. Okay, press this one. Okay, 2.4, then equal, then I press this one, 2 hour and 24 minutes. Okay, so 2 hour 24, when I add up 2 hour plus the 24 minutes, okay, you have to calculate manually lah. Okay, 11:30 to 12:30, 12:30 1:30. Okay, 1:30 is 13 lah, 13:30. Okay, 11:30 12:30, 12:30 to 13:30, 2 hour. 13:30 plus 30 plus 24, 54. That means 13:54. Okay, so this is in 24-hour system. Okay, so that is the answer for number 4. Then we look at B. It says when P moves with the speed which is equal to the speed of a car. Okay, the when is not inside here, so when P equal speed of the car, same with the car. Okay, the speed are not the distance. For the first 1.5 hours, okay, when Q move with the speed, when Q is not inside, which is equal to speed of lorry. Now while the van Q same with the lorry, the speed. Okay, so from here, okay, say so is B, when speed the speed of the van P equal to speed the car is PQRS. Okay, for the first 1.5 hour. Right now everything will be easier, it won't be misleading or forgot what you need to summarize. So the speed of van P equal to speed equal to distance over time. So the speed of PQRS 1.5 hours, use the car one, is 120 distance. So divided by time 1.5 hour, so you get using calculator 80 kilometer per hour. Okay, then the speed when Q equal to speed of lorry, okay, TU, speed of TU, okay, speed of when P equals to speed of TU. So you need to find the distance over the time. Distance of TU is 300. The time is 4 because then say the first or second or nothing, just total. So total is 4 hours. So you get 75 kilometer per hour. Okay, so I get this answer. Then you say which van moves faster. So of course our van P move faster lah. Okay, when P move faster, then justify your answer. Okay, so I say move faster by 5 kilometer per hour because 80 minus 25 is 5 kilometer per hour compared to when Q. Okay, final answer. Okay, so number 2, the diagram shows distance time graph. Rihanna and Ryan, PQRS. Okay, this one PQRS. This one is Rihanna. Okay, PQRS. Then from here, Ryan is PRT. PRT Ryan. Ryan, spelling different. Okay, PRT. Then from here it say two travel from town A to town B, same road. Okay, so start from here, so town A lah. Town A to town B. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, then we look here, some more any info, no info. A, state the duration in minutes. Rihanna stop. Rihanna stop here. Duration in minutes. Okay, so it's 1.2 minus 1, so you get 0.2 hour. So 0.2 hour, you can use 0.2 hour, so it's 12 minutes. So we 12 minutes because in hour you want in minutes. Okay, then B, at one point Rihanna, Ryan, same location, so they are same location at here. Okay, 1.2. Find the distance kilometer between the location and town A. So between location and town A is here, so it's 150 minus 90, so it's 60 kilometer per kilometer. And number 2, find the time they meet if they if they start journey 8:30 a.m. so start here 8:30 a.m. okay, so they start from here 8:30 plus 1.2 hour, so 8:30 a.m. plus 1.2 hour, so 8:30 is 8.5 hour plus 1.2 hour. So using calculator, add up together is 9, okay, 8.5, okay, it means 8.5 lah, plus 1.2, so it's 9.7 hour. 9.7, I press this one, 9 hour and 42 minutes, so it's 9:42 a.m. Okay, then C is average speed in kilometer for Rihanna. Average speed period 2 hours for the 2 hours. Okay, so you must know average speed is distance over time. So the distance is 150, the time is 2 hours. So from calculator is 75, answer is kilometer per hour. Okay, then the last one, D, describe Rihanna's journey. Okay, for the first 1 hour, Rihanna here, first 1 hour and 12 minutes, 1 hour 12 minutes is here, so the journey here to here. Okay, first of all you need to find the average speed, okay, and also you must find the distance. So you must have time, distance, speed, only you can describe. Okay, so from here, if let's say I want to find D, okay, average speed for PQ. I cannot find until here because this is resting, it's not called average speed anymore. So here PQ, so the average speed is distance over time. Just now from distance over time, the distance is 150 minus 90, the time is 1 hour only, this one not counted. So from calculator I get 60 km per hour. Okay, then we have to find the distance. Distance is 150 minus 90, so it's 60 km. So we can summarize it. Rihanna travels from 8:30 a.m. okay, until here the 1.2, okay, 1.2 until what time? Okay, 8:30, 1.2. Is there any information? Oh, the time I didn't find first. So the time 1.2 hour. Oh, because I travel from here to here, 8:30, 1 hour, 9:30. So, okay, until 9:30 a.m. for 60 km. Okay, 60 km journey at the speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, and from 9:30 a.m. until 9:42 a.m. she rested. Already described. Okay, or you can write down Rihanna, either one, travels at a speed of 60 km per hour for first 1 hour, for the first 1 hour, then stops for 12 minutes. Okay, so stop for 12 minutes. Okay, because from now calculated 12 minutes down here, 12 minutes. Okay, stop for 12 minutes of a distance of 60 km from town A. 60 km. Like this also can.